In this video, I will show you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. To get started, log in to your Shopify dashboard, then go to Online Store and click on Navigation. From here, click on View URL Redirects, and then click on Create URL Redirect. Now, in the Redirect From field, enter the old URL path. For example, you can type /contacts if that was your previous contact page URL. Next, in the Redirect To field, enter the new URL path. In this case, it will be /pages/contact-us. You can copy and paste it to make sure it's correct. Once done, click on Save Redirect. Now, let's test it. Go to your website and type /contacts in the URL. You'll see that it automatically redirects to your new contact page. That's it. Your URL redirect is now working correctly in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel